Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use insane AI tools for website designers. Again, these tools are for website designers. If I'm not mistaken, I have not one, but I think I have 7 here for you guys to work with. Now each one of them is powered by AI, so please take your seats and let's have started. The first one on the list will be called Figma or Figma Jam. This is a very new feature in Figma, so please check it out. Speaking of Figma, for the background and for beginners of users of Figma, I have a video about it, so please check it out. Anyway, with this one, I already enabled the AI generation tool here, and simply with this one, I'm gonna use my notepad. I have already prepared a prompt here for us to work with, so we can have the most outmost example throughout our discussion. I'm gonna paste it here, so a sitemap for a website that sells royalty-free audio tracks. I'm gonna click on generate right now, and let's see the Figma magic here. Again guys, I only click one button there, and type one phrase or prompts, and now I have this. A flowchart in regarding a sitemap for a website that sells royalty-free audio soundtracks. Now I can move whatever I see fit here. For example, if I want to enlarge this, I want to move stuff there, I want to change the color like so. It is easy to do so. I can do that, I can do this, and so much more. I can edit the font size, I can edit the size of the icon, even bold letters right there. But I'm not gonna waste my time here because I'm gonna let AI do this. Now moving over with the next website, we're gonna call it WIX Studio. Now for WIX Studio, I know you're familiar with this one. So for all the freelancers out there, I know you're using WIX Studio also. But for this, we have a new feature called AI or responsive AI. If you click on this one, basically Wix is asking us if it can get creative. A responsive AI section on all devices with AI. I'm gonna click on generate now, and basically it did not even ask me for a prompt. It's now making a website based on my questions earlier. A tailor-fitted website for me with one simple click of a button. As you can see right there, it's currently generating real time. And now this will take about 2 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. And now welcome back to the video. Right now this is our new design based on the AI. As you can see, it's very responsive. It's just not scrolling or basically scrolling to a website. You see those transitions? They're pretty awesome, right? So apply design with your website right there and you're good to go. And that is WIX Studio for you for the responsive AI. Moving over with the next feature, we're gonna go with it. So with this one, it's going to be called Musho. Basically, it's not a website, but a plugin inside Figma. It's going to be UI meets AI, and as you can see here, Musho gets your design 80% out of the way. Basically, only leaves you 20%, which is going to be the brainstorming and thinking of the project. That being said, let's head over to Figma after clicking this button. Now, once we're back in Figma, you'll see this Musho.AI. As you can see, that little mascot right there really responds on my cursor. So let's create something fresh. What one pager are we designing? So for example, I'm just gonna paste the same prompt I had from earlier. I'm gonna click on it right now. And right now, it's dreaming up our design. I'll get back to you once it's here. And welcome back to the video. Right now, here's our website that was created inside Figma with the help of the plugin of Musho. Again guys, everything here is editable. For example, this one right here, you can edit the frame, you can adjust the colors, you can even move this one over there, this one right here. And with this one, we have a lot of sections. For example, we have the favorites, we have the testimonials here, even join our community is right here. Pretty awesome tool, right? Again, Musho is a plugin inside Figma. Let's head over to the next tool I want to share with you guys. And now, speaking of image generation, the top tier for me would still be Midjourney. Speaking of Midjourney Alpha, they have this available for users that are already generated 100 images and up. This is the website itself, so basically you can generate here. But the best part about this, and that's why it's always top tier for me, or it's still the number one image generation tool for me, is the character consistency. Come on, take a look at this image. Can you really tell that this is not a photograph, but rather an AI image generation? Also guys, just a disclaimer, they also have a Discord website. Actually, they started in the Discord website and move over with the platform. These are the color consistency and character consistency they have. These four right here are just a sample of the power of Midjourney. Moving over to the next website. Okay, welcome back to the video. Right now, I'm gonna share with you a website called Claude, or an AI called Claude. So again, right here, I'm Claude. I'm the next generation AI assistant built for work and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure. I'd love for us to get to know each other a little bit better. Right now, I know you're familiar with ChatGPT 3 or even the 4 one. But right now, I want to introduce to you Claude. Now, Claude works as an AI also, much like ChatGPT. And I have a full brief discussion on Claude, so please check it out on my other videos. Anyway, I want to show you the power or a brief introduction how it works. Let me just paste this prompt right here. Let me just asking me for my name first. Let me just click my name there. Knowledge, and finally, sounds good. With that being said, let's try it over inside Claude now. So I'm gonna paste everything there. I need you to act as a digital marketing assistant, expert who helps customers to increase sales, and moreover, I'm gonna click on enter now and wait for the magic to happen. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Not only it gave me a brief, but a very specific answer, it gave me a very good one also. Now there are options here, just a brief introduction. They have now a Pro or Claude 3 option, basically a subscription for a better AI model. But the only difference with this one with ChatGPT 3, free trial versus a free trial for Claude is that you can upload documents here, as long as it was max 5 to 10 Mbps or 10 MB each. Moving over with the next website that I want to share with you guys. Now for the next one, I know we are all familiar with Fontjoy, but a brief discussion about this one is, if I want this one, for example the Laura, if I click lock there, and I click on generate right here, or move over with this one, I'm gonna have a very new sample here. Also, if you want to be more specific, click on that one right there and choose the exact font that you like. There are tons of usage here, and not just the font itself, but you can use AI to have your font generated. Again, click generate to get a new font pairing, lock to lock fonts that you want to keep, and edit to choose font manually. Again guys, it's a pretty good AI tool. Name is Fontjoy. Let's head over to the next website. Since we've covered fonts, let's now talk about colors. Speaking of colors, we're gonna use Colormind.io. For this one, we have a lot of website colors, templates, working on with this one. For example, speaking of websites, you like this one right here, but you want different colors on this one. You can simply click on generate, and AI will give you suggestions based on the lock-in that you have. And trust me guys, it just not dependent here. It all depends on your search history, your desktop color, or your system device color. It's a pretty good tool, especially as you can see on my Google Chrome background color. It's a bit more bright, red, vibrant. It's depending on that also. That's why I have two red colors here, or two red shades. Awesome, right? Now let's head over to the last website I want to share with you guys. We're gonna call it UIzard or UIzard. Call it whatever you like, but this one is gonna be an AI powered auto designer. So which device are you designing for? I think I'm gonna go with desktop. Click it right there. Describe your project in plain English. How about this one? An app to discover recipe that tastes bad. An app to discover recipe to taste that tastes bad. Something like that. Describe a design style. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. Modern startup aesthetic. Modern startup aesthetic. I'm just gonna go with that one. I'm gonna go with dark. Generate my project. Welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be our website based on our suggestions from earlier. So Wizard or UIzard created a project for me, and now I'm just gonna remove this one right here. I have onboarding here. I have a home. I have a search bar. I have a search results right here. Now with this one, I have project details. I also have profile right there. Now as you can see, if I click one of them, I can easily design them. Let me just zoom it in over here. So again, I have the home button or the home landing page. I have the search landing page here. These are my search results, and this is my product details. Again guys, I did this with one simple click of a button. So once we're satisfied, those are the tools and websites that I want to share with you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.